A famed swannery in Dorset is among those hit by bird flu after the disease was detected in 17 birds in the region, experts from the Department of Environment, Food, and Rural Affairs have confirmed. Abbotsbury Swannery, a popular tourist spot, has several mute swans, one Canada goose and one poacher duck that are affected. It is the world's only managed colony of nesting mute swans. Scientists believe more cases of the disease will emerge over the coming days. Advertising reed invented by TEEDS tests have found the infected birds are carrying a form of the disease closely related to the H5N6 strain that has infected birds across Europe. However, it is a different strain to the one which infected people in China last year. +5 imguide.d. equals I672DF7734B2A1345 SRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/I/pics/2018/01019/48127B9800057852639009 image M2_1515855999520.jpg height equals 354 width equals 634 alt equals Scientists have found 17 wild birds in Dorset which have been infected with the H5N6 bird flu strain. It is a different strain to the one which infected people in China last year. Class equals blocks bordering share greater than +5 imguide.d. equals ida7560c0 deb 40 src equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01/13/12/4817 ba 920000578526568 popular_tourist_spot. Abbotsbury Swannery A21_1515847380559.jpg height equals 416 width equals 634 alt equals popular tourist spot. Abbotsbury Swannery has several mute swans, one Canada goose and one poacher duck that have been affected. Class equals blocks bordering share greater than Abbotsbury Swannery is currently closed to the public during the winter season and is not due to reopen until March 17. Public Health England said the risk to the public is very low. Earlier today, Wendy Bryant, from Blandford, found a dead swan in the River Stour. The Animal and Plant Health Agency told Mrs. Bryant that a vet would be sent out to collect the swan in the next few hours. UK Chief Veterinary Officer, Nigel Gibbons said, "This is the first time avian flu has been identified in the UK this winter, and while the disease does not represent a threat to the public, it is highly infectious and deadly too." Birds. Farmers or anyone who keeps birds has been asked to remain vigilant and report any suspected outbreaks of the highly contagious disease. +5 imguide.d. equals I250F22F345A1 SRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01/13/12/481289000578526568 image A24_1515847925126.jpg height equals 423 width equals 634 alt equals the Swannery is the world's only managed colony of nesting mute swans. Pictured, swans gathering for feeding at Abbotsbury in 2012. Class equals blocks bordering share greater than +5 imguide.d. equals I839700943B21FBSRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01/13/12/4817 B82F0000578526568 image A23_1515847888499.jpg height equals 415 width equals 634 alt equals Abbotsbury Swannery is currently closed to the public as it is the winter season and is not due to reopen until March 17. Class equals blocks bordering share greater than in response to the scare. A local avian influenza prevention zone has been introduced in the Dorset area where the outbreak was located. Farmers will be asked to increase biosecurity measures and keep their birds indoors to minimize the mixing with wild birds and reduce the chance of spreading the disease. They have also been asked to disinfect their footwear when moving in and out of bird enclosures. Members of the public have also been asked to report sightings of any dead birds in the area to the department so the cause of death can be investigated. plus 5 imguide.d. equals IE8 adv0A8B126A9E. RC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/001/13/2018/01/13/4818285005785265669 image A25-15848017187.jpg height equals 423 width equals 634 alt equals earlier today Wendy Bryant, from Blandford, found a dead swan in the River Stour. A vet from the Animal and Plant Health Agency has been sent out to collect the bird. Class equals blocks bordering share, greater than. Public health says flu levels are higher than previous years. Loaded, 0% progress, 0% 0:00 previous play skip live immute 00:00 current time 0:00 duration time 1:02 full screen need text video quality 576p 540p 360p 270p foreground, white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan, opaque semi-opaque background, white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan, opaque semi-transparent transparent window, white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan, opaque semi-transparent transparent font size 50% 75% 100% 125% 150% 175% 200% 300% 400% text edge style none raised depressed uniform drop shadow font family default monospace serif proportional serif monospace sans serif proportional sans serif casual script small caps default stun minimize